Hi, welcome to Adhan Food and Travel. I'm Shalini. We are here today at Kavanah Patisserie in Jubilee Hills, which is one of the most expensive bakeries in Hyderabad, which is very famous for its extravagant cakes and all its specially baked cookies. Let's go inside and see how it is. This Harley Davidson right here is one of the famous picture spots. Wow. Hello. Your name, sir?
This is Gnanendra.
Nice to meet you, Sri Gnanendra. So, I've heard that you guys started with the Bahubali cake.
Yes, we started with like Bahubali big cake. Bahubali is a very big blockbuster hit actually. So we got the order from team also. Huge cake we did in that time, and even Bahubali 2 also we make the cake.
Okay. So, what makes your bakery this special, sir?
We're especially for very famous for Kavanah is very famous for like a beautiful ambience, and we do craft cakes, design fondant cakes. People can ask for any kind of cakes. We'll make it accordingly. Yeah, and lot of desserts we have.
Okay. I see an open kitchen here.
Yeah, actually we came with live kitchens. People can see from here also. If they order some cakes, lively also they can see their cakes making and everything.
Also, they can order for a cake and actually watch it being made.
Yeah, sure. Our main specialty is we'll make like cakes in 10-15 minutes also. So that is our big specialty.
Wow. 15 minutes and they bake a cake. This is amazing.
Yeah, you can see how we are doing fondant cakes and all. This is bodybuilder theme cake. You can see the elements craft and all. My chef is doing fondant cakes and all. You can see the doctor also, woman doctor. So this kind of cakes we are very specially we are doing actually.
So this is the theme of this is bodybuilding, is it?
Yeah, you can see the like how we are making with craft and all. You can see the perfection also. So this is our best. This is our specialty. Yeah.
This is beautiful work that is in progress over here. So what kind of crowd do you usually attract, sir?
We have like premium crowd like VIPs and celebrities. We have very premium crowd we have. So we are getting a lot of orders from them.
So what's your best seller?
We have like a lot of products I can say like best selling. You can try opera cake, red velvet. You can see tiramisu, how you are doing, and you can try for Berliners and chocolate truffle with ice cream, red velvet. We have a lot of like a walnut brownie with ice cream. We have a lot of products best selling. So all moving same like that.
Okay, what would you recommend for me to
Try our
have right now?
tiramisu and red velvet. You can try our Berliners also. You can try our walnut brownie with ice cream. So we have a lot of chocolates and all. You can ask for liquor chocolates, filling chocolates, and healthy cookies, oatmeal. Any kind of will make it.
Okay. So I see a lot of boxes in your decor. What are these for?
We'll make like gift hampers and cookies. It's a depend on like how clients are expecting. Accordingly, we'll make it so you can see a lot of packaging also we have. For Diwali also we are doing a lot of gift hampers and all. And we are Christmas, even for January. We have a lot of, we'll make different kind of products.
You see, guys, they make special gift hampers for you. It's a perfect gift for Diwali, for any special occasion. Okay, so I really like their presentation. They have half the plate dusted with cocoa powder, and there's a biscuit here. Wow. Okay. I can see why this place attracts such an elite crowd. It's delicious. So here are the chocolates and the cookie I ordered. This is the red velvet stuffed cookie. These are soft. So these are chewy cookies. God, they're so good. So these are the red velvet cream filled chocolates. And these are the caramel filled chocolates dusted with a bit of gold. It's a piece of heaven, guys. So that was Kavanah, guys. You've seen the ambience. The interiors are wonderful, and the outdoor seating is what makes this place a signature. It is so in sync with nature. There's so much green. The whole place is built around trees, and it just makes for a lovely hangout spot. Check down the link below to know more about this place, to keep seeing more videos.